Every landfill is an energy project waiting to happen. The decomposing waste beneath your feet generates a continuous stream of methane, and with the right collection, conditioning, and conversion, that gas becomes pipeline-quality, renewable natural gas. But the difference between a project that runs and a project that gets flagged comes down to one thing: measurement. If you can't see it accurately, you can't control it, report it, or monetize it. George Grant Company is a manufacturer's representative and distributor of industrial process instrumentation based in Chattanooga, Tennessee, serving Tennessee, Georgia, Alabama, and the Florida Panhandle. We pair best-in-class instrument lines with local engineering support, so you're not buying a part number off a website, you're getting an application solved. A landfill-to-RNG system is a chain of measurement points, and each one has its own hostile environment. Wet, dirty, corrosive gas, variable flow, leachate that has to be managed before it floods a collection field, hazardous, classified areas where a single ignition source is unacceptable. Generic instrumentation fails fast here. What you need are instruments selected specifically for biogas service, and that's the conversation we have with developers every day. Leachate has to be drawn down to keep your gas collection efficient. Too much liquid in the waste mass and methane generation drops. Reliable level measurement in leachate sumps, risers, and storage is the foundation. We represent Keller pressure submersible and pressure level transmitters built to survive the chemistry and fouling that destroy lesser sensors. Accurate level means proper pump control, no dry running, and no overflow events that draw regulatory attention. You can't report destruction efficiency or feed an upgrading skid without knowing exactly how much gas you're moving. Landfill gas is low pressure, wet, and variable, conditions that wreck many flow technologies. We represent Eldridge Products thermal mass flow meters, which measure mass flow directly and hold accuracy across the wide turndown that landfill gas demands, to the flare, to the blower, to the upgrading system. That's the number your environmental reporting and your gas purchase agreements are built on. Methane and hydrogen sulfide are part of daily life at an RNG facility, and both are dangerous. Fixed gas detection protects your people and your asset, and it's central to operating safely in classified areas. We represent GDS Corp gas detection systems engineered for exactly these hazardous environments. Continuous monitoring for combustible gas and toxic H2S with the alarm and shutdown integration a modern plant requires. Around those three, we round out the full instrument package: Pyromation temperature sensors for process and skid monitoring, and Protego flame arresters for vent and flare safety in Tennessee and North Alabama. One source, engineered together. Here's what makes the difference for a developer. When you're standing up a new plant, you don't have time to chase 5 manufacturers and hope the pieces fit. We sit between you and those manufacturers, specifying the right instrument for each point, getting you factory-level technical answers, and supporting the install locally. We know the Southeast, we know these gas streams, and we're already working alongside RNG developers in our own backyard. We're not new to this region or these projects. We're actively engaged with landfill operators and RNG developers all across the Southeast. When your developer and your instrumentation partner are in the same region, problems get solved in days, not weeks. If you're developing or operating a landfill gas-to-RNG project anywhere in Tennessee, Georgia, Alabama, or the Florida Panhandle, let's talk through your measurement points before they become problems. Leachate level, gas flow, gas detection will help you spec it right the first time. George Grant Company. Call us, email us, or visit georgegranttow.com.